Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to change the raise to wake up function, which means when you look at your watch, it turns on. So this is a Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So we click once, we scroll from the bottom, and we click on the watch icon. Raise to wake up is on. So now we cover it, we push it to ours, you see it worked, push it to us, it works. So now we can scroll up, turn it off, and if we lock it, and then raise, you see, now it doesn't work at all. We have to click it and then we can turn it on again. So that is how you activate raise to wake on. Also, you could always go to the settings by going here, and on the bottom you have your settings if you want raise to wake up, and you can even do it for an effective period between, let's say, in the morning, at night, and so on. Also, sensitivity can be high or low. Let's say high. So it will affect battery life because it'll turn on more. So now we have it on. Let's turn it off. You see, now it's just a little wobble will turn the watch on. So yeah, that's how you change the raise to wake up on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.